before the fireworks, before the drones lit up the night sky, Mother Nature decided to steal the show. What you're watching isn't a special effect. These are real lightning bolts flashing across the sky over Busch Gardens in Tampa Bay, while we waited for the evening's drone and fireworks spectacular. If you've ever wondered why the Tampa Bay region is often called the lightning capital of North America, this is exactly why. During Florida's storm season, the atmosphere becomes the perfect stage for some of the most spectacular lightning displays you'll ever see. So sit back, turn up the volume, and enjoy this incredible natural light show. No filters, no editing tricks, just the raw power and beauty of nature putting on a performance that no theme park could ever match. Let's watch the sky come alive.